Okay, we're back at the hotel.
My hotel.
Your house, your crib.
Yes,
Your crib. You know MTV. Show me your crib.
Show me what you got.
Woo.
No.
Okay,
My ass. You know.
I'm not gonna film your ass.
Oh, why?
Should I?
It's for me.
Ooh.
Mm. You still make that. Mm.
Mm. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, aloha. Okay, let's go.
Yeah, sure.
Open the door for me.
But you wanna film my room?
Yeah.
No.
The chaos. It's so messy. No.
Sure. I'm so hot.
Okay, MTV crib.
Okay, I can open the door. How are you, beautiful people?
Okay.
Hello.
So here we are, smelling like cigarettes.
Beer, Coke, water,
Yeah.
laptop.
And the TV and German channels. Yeah. Okay, no. And the bed.
Yeah.
Great. Awesome.
Okay, God, please.
Okay, say goodbye, MTV crib.
Goodbye, MTV. Great. Something like that.